Hello everyone and welcome to Georgetown Toyota. I'm Nick Kuna.
I'm Nick Hancock.
And I'm Ray Corcoran, and this is our video submission for the 2022 Toyota Tundra video contest.
And we're here today to show you our favorite features of the new generation of the Toyota Tundra.
Now let's take a look at the interior of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. There are a number of available features that are a first for not only the Tundra itself, but for the Toyota brand. First, let's take a look at the all-new available 14-inch touchscreen display. You also have, as a Tundra first, a Panoramic-Sunroof. A Toyota first is a standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the Tundra, you also can have available heated steering wheel and a heads-up display. You also can get wireless charging, available heated and cooling seats, not only in the front but in the rear. You also get standard push engine start. Back is the classic traditional rear sliding window.
On the 2022 Toyota Tundra, as you can see, it comes with a full redesign, which is a real modern day look, a bold styling, and a real head turner for 2022. On the Tundra, it comes standard with LED headlamps and tail lamps. As you can see on the rear tailgate here, it is Toyota's first tailgate release switch. Both configurations for Crew Max now come with a 5.5 and a 6.5 foot bed, and on the double cabs, you get a 6.5 and an 8 foot option. On the Toyota Tundra, it's going to have its first composite bed, as you can see, similar for our 2022 Toyota Tacomas. Available are integrated LED fog lights, and we have 20-inch available alloy rims available.
Under the hood, we have the all-new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, sporting 389 horsepower with 479 pounds of torque, which is 2% more horsepower and 19.5% better torque than the previous generation. 12.2-liter per 100-kilometer combined fuel economy, which is a 25% improvement from last generation as well. Available 11,200 pounds of towing, which is a 15.5% improvement from the previous generation.
These are our favorite features of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra. And as a reminder, I'm Nick Kuna.
I'm Nick Hancock.
And I'm Ray Corcoran, here at Georgetown Toyota, located 312 Wells Street, Georgetown, Ontario.
If you'd like to know more information or would like to reserve one, please come down to Georgetown Toyota. We're looking forward to meeting you.
You can also visit us at www.georgetowntoyota.com to look at all our information for the 2022 Toyota Tundra. Stay tuned. Have a great day.